Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Station 42 Wolf Trap is located at 1315 Beulah Road in Vienna and opened for business on October 1st, 2013. Later that month, the station participated in the Fire Prevention Open House, highlighting an apparatus housing ceremony. The station was showcased again as it held a grand opening on November 2nd, with public officials and eager residents excited about this wonderful new addition to their community.
This station is not for just the Fire and Rescue Department, not just for the county government. It is for the residents of this county and those that live in its immediate area.
Fire and rescue, public safety is very much a family. In fact, Fairfax County is very much a family. We've been waiting a long time for this fire station here in this location. And I understand that already lives have been saved, and that really says something about how much we care about our community and how much we care about making sure that people in our community have the services they need in order to live fully into their older years and to make sure that people are safe in Fairfax County.
A lot of people invested time, effort, resources into making this beautiful station a reality. We needed this station, we need to get it open.
So we want to really say thank you to the community because we know this is important. We know that our citizens say that public safety services are critical to them, and so we've been able to reflect that need.
But today we officially mark the grand opening of our Fire and Rescue Station 442, the Wolf Trap Station. And out of this station, that engine company that is staffed 24/7 and our EMS duty officer has already responded to numerous calls, 911 calls for emergency. And they'll continue to do that as we build the station opening, fully operationalizing it in July of next year.
So the community has really been waiting for this station to open, and since it has opened, we've been greeted with nothing but open arms and warm welcomes everywhere we go. So the community has responded positively. It's been great.
And I think there's a lot of excitement in the community about having a fire station here, and you know, it just makes everybody feel safe that you all are around here.
Currently, there's an EMS supervisor and the engine 442. So engine 442 staffs 4 personnel per shift. Coming in July, we receive full funding, and we will have, we'll be adding a tanker, which has 1 person, and then we'll be adding a medic unit with 2 more people. So a grand total of 8 personnel per shift will be stationed here.
The station's about 14,000 square feet. It will house an engine company right now, and until July, and once July comes, then we'll have an EMS unit, transport unit, also in the station. So we'll have career personnel on duty 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
The station will serve the Wolf Trap National Park for the performing arts in its first due area.
The first important factor of Fire Station 442, Wolf Trap Fire Station, is it's in the right place. And that's absolutely phenomenal. You don't always have the opportunity to do that, but we hit the bullseye with this station. The second is our response times are absolutely critical to providing service to those that call 911 here in the Wolf Trap area. And in particular, our first job is to prevent the 911 call. However, our response to ALS calls, fire response calls, and all hazard types of calls are so critically important. This station being open is absolutely going to improve response times to all those types of incidents.
We cover over 11.3 square miles. The first due area goes down Route 7 almost to the toll road, all the way out to Baron Cameron Avenue, down into Vienna, and up into Great Falls. So it's a wide range of land that we protect. Some of the target hazards within our first due, of course, would be the Wolf Trap Performing Arts Center. Next to that would be McLean Bible Church and Jill's House. Jill's House is a respite home for families that have special needs children. The other thing that target hazard within this first due area are homes in buildings that aren't protected with fire hydrants, so non-water supplied areas within the first due. That's a big help to the community, is putting us here so we can get water faster should the need arise.
The new Wolf Trap Fire and Rescue Station achieved Silver Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design LEED certification. Flooring, carpet, window frames, and other materials consist of recycled materials. Cabinetry is made from reclaimed straw products, and appliances are high efficiency, Energy Star rated. Throughout the facility, paint is low VOC, volatile organic compounds, for an improved air quality environment.
We focus on being green friendly, environmentally friendly, and more importantly, and equally as important though, is we're good neighbors and environmentally safe neighbors.